Hello everyone, you are listening to the Money Builders Show, Inspire, Inculcate and Innovate, episode 52. 7 lessons I learned from visiting funerals secretly. Life teaches us some valuable lessons and even death has some great lessons to offer which you can make use of when you are alive. These lessons are not just lessons, they are the ultimate truths that will fill you with wisdom. In Hinduism, the dead body or dead or burial ground is treated as inauspicious. So you're not allowed to attend any funerals if you don't know the dead ones very well. However, we can attend these funerals secretly. Such instance taught universal lessons for life. We all celebrate the day we are born. We celebrated the day we are born every year. But you need to understand that even death should be celebrated more than your birthday. Your birthdays come and go, but death comes once and gives you freedom forever. Mortality is not a curse, but it's a glorious gift. This gift frees you from all attachments, greed, pain, suffering, and worries. No one wants to die and everyone wants to live forever, but this won't happen. Human advancements in science and technology created pain relievers, but they didn't overcome death. This death is a common destination for all of us. Everyone knows about death, but everyone lives by ignoring the truth, and this is a gift and a curse. Ignoring that you will die is a curse if you are wasting the time in dwelling and suffering in life. Ignoring that you will die is a boon if you are making use of your time well. These lessons are the ultimate truths which by realizing will change your perception of life and make you think about your life again. First one, death is a common destiny for everyone. This death is a common destination for every living entity on this planet. It doesn't matter whether you are beautiful or ugly, rich or poor, successful or unsuccessful, good or bad, wise or foolish, you have to accept your death. When you realize this, you will understand that differences you are following right now in your life seem useless. Your religion, region, success, power, greed, wealth will not stop your death. You will meet this destination for sure someday. Nothing can stop this. You'll die for sure, but don't die in vain. Second one, death is a curse to some people and it's a boon to some other people. Everyone is scared of death if they know their expiry date. Some people live a fulfilled life where they achieved their dreams, and when they die, there is a smile on their faces showing that they have fulfillment in life and they are happy to leave this world. Very few people die this way and this is a boon. However, some people live a regretful life where they achieved nothing great. They gave up their dreams and desires and lived their life in false beliefs and systems built around them. These people die a painful death and they beg for time to do at least one right thing in their lives, but they realize that it's too late and therefore they die a regretful life, and this kind of death is a curse. Make your life a gift by making most out of it instead of making it a curse by being lazy and hopeless. Third one, the startled love. People may not love you or care for you when you are alive, but they love you and cry for you when you die. That's why when you die, even though they know you will never return, they cry for you and ask you to come alive again. When they are alive, you fight with them, you express your anger over them, you hate them, you grow the ego and jealousy, you grow enmity, you show irritation and authority over them. But when they die, you just show your sympathy for them and you show unconditional love for them. When they are alive, you show conditional love. This is weird. When they are alive, if you showed them unconditional love, your lives together would have been very happy together. Why can't you just love them unconditionally all the time, leaving your anger, ego and irritation? Show them your love when they are still alive and before it's too late. Fourth one, most people who live with comfort will die with regrets. The most common reason people die with regrets is their choice of comfort. If you are comfortable now, you'll get uncomfortable later. If you keep enjoying comforts without trying to fulfill your dreams and desires in fear of failure or criticism, you will suffer more in the end. You need to take risks and achieve your dreams and goals. Taking risks is uncomfortable, but it's worth living life at least right once the way you love to. You may fail and it's okay because the lessons you will get by trying are more valuable than not learning anything by quitting. Never choose comfort in life and lose your dreams. Choose risk and accomplish more in this temporary life which makes you proud of yourself and gives you a wonderful ending. Fifth one, you came empty-handed and you will leave empty-handed. Most people are scared of losing, but you need to realize that you came with nothing. You don't take any risks because you fear that it may bring you loss. You keep earning wealth by ignoring health. You keep saving without making proper use of what you earn. You even earn for future generations, which is kind of making them lazy by giving them everything and making them away from fulfillment in their lives. You're not going to take anything with you at the end. You came with nothing and you go with nothing, and there is nothing to lose here. You perform your part here and you leave. Only by realizing this truth, you will learn about your right priorities for your life. There is nothing to lose. This is the naked truth. Sixth one, everything is temporary. Nothing here is permanent. Your relationships, fame, success, wealth, health, feelings, and emotions, all of them are temporary. You need to grow humility and kindness in you. Don't get stuck with these temporary things. Be wise enough to free yourself from all of them and be happy always. Give priority to the right things and make use of your time well before your life ends. Even this life is temporary, so don't waste it doing things you hate. Dream big and do better things that add value to your life. Never dream small, dream big. This life is too short to waste your life in the small dreams. Seventh one, don't waste time, you have limited time. The most common belief the people give up in them is there is a lot of time for everything in life, but this isn't true. We all have a very short life which isn't enough to try everything. There is no right time or wrong time. You have time and you make use of it well. If you keep postponing things in your life believing that you have more time, you are going to end up finding that there is no more time left. You are going to end up living a miserable life. No one knows when they are going to die. Tomorrow isn't guaranteed to anyone. There are people who don't have a tomorrow, and if you have it, be grateful and make use of it. Stop dwelling in the rules and systems that limit your living. Live the way you love and do what you want to do. When you feel like doing, there is no time for you later. Do it now or you lose the time that never returns. Use the time you have been given well and accomplish all your dreams, desires and goals. Finally, live your life to the fullest. Your life is limited here. Remember this and act accordingly. If you like this episode, please share it with your friends, family and loved ones. And for upcoming updates, subscribe to the podcast. Until then, see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.